Hello all, welcome to Random Art with Karen, and I'm in my Prayerful planner, and I've been out window shopping at Etsy, and I found a new shop, and her shop is called Whitebird Designs Co. And so with my order, she sent a little thank you note, even a handwritten note, and also a little extra. Because I didn't order this, but I love it. All for His glory. So this was the first one that I ordered, and it's called Steadfast. Be strong, unwavering, stand firm, let nothing move you. And the colors, yeah, just soft and serene. So that's Steadfast. This one is called Loved. Again, just a beautiful color palette. The florals and the hearts. True love is found in Jesus. You are loved. For God so loved, for all my days. Abide in His love, unconditional. So beautiful. And this is the third one. Birds and Lilies. Again, love this color palette. How precious are your thoughts about me. And that's from Psalm. He cares for you. He will sustain me, my provider. And look at those sweet birds. Jehovah Jireh. So let's get some stickers down. So I'll be ready to do my documentation of my devotional or scripture, whatever I decide. So now to decide what I want to go where. These birds are so sweet. So sweet. I think this is nice sticker paper too. I think I'll put you about there. Oh, and that white blends well on the white of this page. You know, sometimes the color of your paper, it might be a little different than the color of the sticker. Oh my gosh, that's so sweet. How do I want you to perch? I think I want you to perch like that. Oh, that's such a sweet looking bird. Oh my goodness, cute. Too cute. I think I want to put one of the beautiful flowers up here. Although, I don't know, they'd be kind of cute. Kind of do two branches out. What do y'all think? I'm sorry, I didn't hear you. What'd you think? Oh, let's see. Get this pulled off. There we go. And do I want to try to perch that cute little bird family up there? Yeah, this is really nice sticker paper. I don't know what that was. Is that going to work or no? No, because they really should be on the ground because of the way that they're. That would have been cute though, right? But because of the way that they're sitting, I think I'll do that. And that's all right if it covered up my march just a little bit. See, I'm used to using my clear sticker, so I didn't even think about that. And can these guys fit in there? I'll pull them off and just kind of lay them up there and look. Take a gander. I think so. I think so. Should I white out that stuff up there? Yeah, I think I need to white that out. Stick y'all right, perch y'all right there for now. And get my white out. Come on, buddy. Let me get it started on a scratch sheet of paper. Move my coffee so you can get it started that way. Is this a new one or an old one? There we go. There we go. Okay. get that other part that I missed there. I might come back and clean that up a little bit. And I think I'm going to cover this too. Okay. Now put these pretty little birds. Boy, is that southern. Want you down there or up a little bit. I want y'all up a little bit right there. Okay. And I think, you know, I usually like something like here or here. So I think I'm going to put this. He will sustain me. Now, I've been getting my devotionals from Dr. Charles Stanley. I also get scripture every day from Bible Gateway. And there's some others that come in my email. And so I'll document whatever is talking to me on that day. I've also, though, I've got a happy planner, the Vintage Botanicals, and I've been writing some of the song lyrics in there that I love. So that's been fun. All right, I think we're off to a beautiful start. So what I do is I write down my sermon notes, my devotional, my scriptures, and then if there's vacant spots, then I come back in and fill in. So I will get off camera, get my devotionals done, and then we'll come back. So hold on. All right, so here is my finished spread using these darling stickers from Whitebird Designs. And I still have some left. And again, I just love the color palette. And yep, so you know, once I get mine planted down, then I go ahead and write my scriptures or my devotional, and then just pop in some extras to fill in. All right, good people. If you like the video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up and become a subscriber if you're not already. Hit the subscribe button. Those of you that do subscribe, you know I appreciate you. Let's do the wave bye. Look forward to doing some prayerful planning with you next time.